Alright folks, today we'll explore this versatile accessory designed for smartphones, digital cameras, and more. What do you need? I need it. I will actually need it later to be able to make the video because I have to mount this one on my desk along with this little hitch here. I will mount everything and I will need it to connect it directly to my cell phone via MagSafe mount because I, as you have seen in another video, have connected the MagSafe device on my Samsung S25. This setup lets me utilize various MagSafe compatible products, including external chargers, and I'm working on a wireless rechargeable dock station. So let's say all this to be able to be faster in connecting the various components behind my smartphone. So it's just a matter of convenience and speed. The same MagSafe serves for my Flow 2 of the Insta360. So it serves a little for everything. I use it a little for everything. I will use it a little for everything. Then let's open this camera stand and let's see a little how it's done inside and mount it right on my desk.
What's the design like?
We have the block to place it on the table. So practically this here is the latch connected to the table where we then go to graft here. It connects directly to the stand. Okay, a little book, nothing. This model, designed by Tarion, features the following comprehensive specifications that make it stand out in its category. However, more importantly, let's focus on this specific one positioned right here as previously mentioned. This component is directly connected here at the quarter screw, linking each part seamlessly and allowing for efficient assembly.
Perfect. After all, the assembly process is straightforward and mounts with little effort in this manner.
Let's drop this. This is screwed in here. Okay. In contrast, this particular block clicks into place securely, adding to the overall stability.
Okay, cool.
This part is firmly fixed in position right here, ensuring it remains stable and durable.
So, let's move over to my desk and go mount it directly. And let's see how to use the MagSafe mount on my mobile phone. After multiple trials, I finally discovered the optimal way to manage the situation effectively. And I'll also explain why. Because here I have to put a pedestal. This one here can be turned. I can position it as I want and then I can close it down below.
I'll provide a more detailed demonstration to ensure clarity. Essentially, this setup entails positioning and accessorizing it with items such as a tablet, integrating versatility in practical usage.
The process involves maneuvering the component through adjustments and rotations. Once positioned, it remains firmly secured in place. See? Upon resecuring and repositioning, the mechanism seamlessly becomes unnoticeable, discreetly stored beneath, rendering it invisible. Take a closer look. This configuration exemplifies efficient arrangement. I'm coming. I can work quietly. Perfect. So guys, this is the setup now I will use to be able to do the videos here at my desk, and nothing practically closed. It is completely invisible.
It occupies very little space, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Hello?